The wheels on the bus go. You want to do it? No. Okay, now can you do it? Ray Lynette. Ray Lynette. The wheels on the bus. Can you do it? The wheels on the bus. Round and round, yeah. But can you can you do your motions? The wheels on the bus go round and round. What are you looking at? What is it? Socks. Good job. Shoes. Where? That's a coat. Where are the shoes? Good girl. Very good. What else do you know in that book? Moo. Where? Where's Moo? Moo? Moo. Yeah. That's pig. Neigh. What about this? Ruff ruff. What about this? Meow. Good. What's fish? What's fish say? Yeah, his horse says that. What about fish? Fish? What's fish say? No, fish don't say moo. Baby? There was a baby on the back. How about a ball? Do you know where a ball is? Ball. Yeah. There's a ball. Good. Yeah, an orange. That's an orange, but yeah, that looks like a ball. Good job. What's in this book that you know? Dinosaurs. Blue. Where's blue? Do we know that yet? That's pink. Pink, yeah. Baby, where's baby doll? Can you do wheels on the bus for me? Dinosaurs rough rough. Sort of. How about blue? Do you know what blue is? Blue. Blue. So we can't point out blue yet, huh? It's a big book. Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you. Where's a ball on this page? Ball. Do you see any balls on the circus page? Yeah, that's a ball. How about shoes? It's a bike horn. Banana, yeah, good. Where's a car? Here. Where's a car? Car. Yeah, very good. Yeah, that's the same guy, huh? Fish, yeah, good girl. Very good. How about where's the car on this page? Car. How about a fish? Can you point out a fish? Can we do wheels on the bus now? Oh, you're still pointing out fish. Fish, yeah, good job. There's all kinds of fish on that page. Car. Car. Is there... Can we do wheels on the bus? Raylan, wheels on the bus? What do wheels on the bus do? Moo. Right. How about on the beach page? Is there a ball? Where? Where's our ball? You see one? Where? Where's our ball? Yep, that's a, well, it looks like a ball. It's a dish, but... How about... Oh, go back to it. Oops, that's the... What about this? What's this? Oh, a ball. How about duck? Is there a duck on this page? Duck? Yeah, very good. What are you looking for now? Birds.